In this slide and the next two slides, we will talk about suggested plans for the students according to their majors. The first plan that we are going to introduce is for the students that are planning to study medicine. The student can take in the first session the 5 core subjects: English, math, biology, chemistry, and physics. In the second session, which is November session, the student can take AS Bio in addition of one IG subject. That could be computer science or combined science. The third session, which is the next June session, the student can take A2 biology in addition of one of the languages, French, German, or Arabic O-level. The student can take another subject, maybe ICT or business, because June session is longer than November. The fourth session, November session, the student can make all the retakes that he needs, and the fifth session, which is June, can be a gap session. This is only a suggested plan that you can use as a draft. You may add or take away some subjects. It's only a draft. In this slide, I will suggest a plan for the students that want to study engineering. In the first session, June session, the student can take the major or the core subjects in addition of computer science. So in the first session, the student can take English, math, physics, chemistry, and computer science. In the second session, November, the student can start AS Math in addition of one of the languages, maybe French or German. And if he wants to do a retake for the previous session, he may take a third subject as a retake. The third session, June, the student can take A2 Math in addition of Arabic O-level or business and ICT. In the fourth session, November, the student can make the retakes, all the retakes that he or she needs. And the last session, or the fifth session, can be a gap session. This plan suits the students that didn't make up their minds yet about the major that they want to study. So it goes for both medicine and engineering. In the first June session, the student can take English, math, biology, chemistry, and physics. In the next session, or the second session, November, they can start the 2 AS Math and AS Bio. The third session, which is June, it's a little bit longer, so the student can take A2 Math, A2 Bio, in addition of one IG subject, that may be ICT or business. The fourth November session, the student can take maybe one of the languages, French, German, or Arabic O-level, in addition of computer science or combined science. And the fifth session will be empty for all the retakes that the student need. Again, this is only a draft that you can add or move some subjects according to your plan. The Ministry of Higher Education have decided for this year that some private universities will stop accepting the IGCSE students for some medical majors, like Delta University and 6th of October University. They stopped accepting the IGCSE students in the majors of medicine and dentistry. Kindly don't forget to press like, share the video, and press the subscription button to receive our upcoming videos. And now let's start answering the parents' questions. The first question that I have received from a parent is combined science accepted by all the Egyptian universities? Actually, the combined science is accepted by all the public universities, all the medicine public universities. Only GUC does not accept it, but they just transfer the papers to the higher educational ministry and they decide. The rest of private university, no one said that they will reject combined science, so technically only GUC that does not accept it for only the medical majors. They don't accept it for the medical majors, but for the other majors they accept it without any problems. The second question that we have from one of our parents: how to choose subjects and how to guide the students to choose the subjects. Actually, the first thing we should put in mind, the student should not choose a subject because her or his friends are choosing it. Of course, considering the career, their future career, what they want to study in the future, which field they want to work in, and of course the session's marks can guide them to choose the subject. For example, if I suffered in the math IG, I don't think that the student will be able to go through the AS math. So actually the grades can guide the student. Attending lots of online orientations, attending some universities events in order to explore their abilities and explore the majors that they are interested in. Take feedback from their teachers to know their level and to listen to their advices. This is very important. Do the research. If I want to take a subject, download the syllabus and go through it. See the objectives. Definitely, you will be able to know if you can go through this subject or not. The third question is, does the students have to choose the same board for IG and AL? In the subjects? Actually, no. For example, the student can take biology Edexcel and take AL Cambridge, or vice versa. It doesn't make any difference to choose any of the boards. All of them, as we said earlier, are very well recognized by all the universities. It does not matter. The last question for our video today is, can the student take combined science even if he dropped biology? Actually, yes, the student can. The only restriction for combined science is that the student cannot register it with any of the three sciences. But if the student dropped bio, they still can take combined science, no problem. At the end of our video, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have more questions, you can write them down in the comments and I will answer them. Thank you very much and good luck for all of our students.